The smoothie weight loss paradox. Smoothies are everywhere. Instagram feeds, gym ads, and wellness blogs promise they'll melt belly fat and replace meals effortlessly. But do they live up to the hype, or are they just sugar-laden traps in disguise? The answer isn't black and white. While smoothies can be powerful tools for weight loss, their effectiveness hinges on what you put in them and how you use them. In this 2,500-word guide, we'll cut through the noise, explore the science of smoothies for belly fat loss, and reveal whether swapping meals for blended drinks is a sustainable strategy. Part 1. Do smoothies help lose belly fat? Belly fat, visceral fat, isn't just a cosmetic concern. It's linked to heart disease, diabetes, and inflammation. Here's how smoothies can help, or hinder, your fight against it. The belly fat busting potential of smoothies. High fiber, low calories. High fiber, low calories. 1. Smoothies packed with spinach, chia seeds, and berries provide soluble fiber, which slows digestion and reduces visceral fat accumulation. Example. A 2021 Nutrition Journal study found participants consuming 10 grams of soluble fiber daily lost 3.7% belly fat over 5 months. Protein power. Protein power. 2. Protein-rich smoothies, Greek yogurt, pea protein, boost metabolism and reduce hunger hormones like ghrelin. Study. A 2023 obesity trial showed high-protein diets reduced abdominal fat by 11% compared to low-protein diets. Healthy fats. Healthy fats. 3. Avocado, almond butter, and MCT oil in smoothies promote satiety and reduce cravings for sugary snacks. Recipe. Belly fat blaster smoothie. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1/2 frozen banana. 1 scoop vanilla protein powder. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Handful of spinach. 1/4 avocado. Macros. 320 kilocalories, 25 grams protein, 12 grams fiber, 15 grams healthy fats. The dark side of smoothies. How they cause belly fat. Not all smoothies are created equal. These mistakes pack on pounds. Sugar overload. Store-bought or homemade smoothies with fruit juice, honey, or flavored yogurt can contain 40 grams plus sugar, more than a Coke. Excess sugar converts to visceral fat. Lack of protein, fiber. A green smoothie, with just kale and apple spikes blood sugar, leading to crashes and overeating. Portion distortion. Giant 32 ounces smoothies can exceed 600 calories, more than a Big Mac. Red flags to avoid. Ingredients: agave nectar, sorbet, sweetened almond milk. Nutrient imbalance. All fruit, no protein, fat. Part 2. Can you replace meals with smoothies to lose weight? Replacing meals with smoothies can work, if done strategically. Here's how to nail it. The pros of meal replacement smoothies. Portion control. Pre-measured ingredients prevent overeating. Convenience. Ideal for busy schedules, no cooking required. Nutrient density. Pack in veggies, protein, and healthy fats you might skip in rushed meals. Ideal candidates for meal replacement. Breakfast, e.g., post-workout fuel. Lunch, when you're tempted to grab fast food. The cons of meal replacement smoothies. Lack of chewing. Blended drinks may leave you less satisfied, triggering cravings. Nutrient gaps. Skipping whole foods can lead to deficiencies in zinc, iron, or B12. Metabolic slowdown. Over-reliance on liquid meals may reduce calorie burning, thermic effect, of digesting solid foods. Science-backed rule. Replace one meal per day max and ensure smoothies contain 300 to 400 calories, 20 to 30 grams protein, 8 to 10 grams fiber, or 10 to 15 grams healthy fat. Part 3. How to craft a fat loss smoothie, step by step. Follow this formula to optimize belly fat loss. 1. Base liquid. 1-1.5 cups. Best. Unsweetened almond milk, coconut water, green tea. Avoid. Fruit juice, sweetened oat milk. 2. Protein. 20-30 grams. Options. Whey protein, Greek yogurt, silken tofu. Pro tip. Vegan? Blend pea protein with hemp seeds. 3. Fiber. 8-10 grams. Add chia seeds, flax seeds, spinach, psyllium husk. 4. Healthy fats. 10-15 grams. Add avocado, almond butter, MCT oil. 5. Low sugar fruit. 1/2 cup max. Best. Berries, green apple, kiwi. Avoid. Mango, pineapple, banana, use sparingly. Sample meal replacement smoothie. Name. Green Goddess Metabolic Boost. 1 cup unsweetened coconut milk. 1/2 cup frozen cauliflower, stealth thickener. 1 scoop plant protein powder. Or 1 tablespoon almond butter. Or 1/2 cup spinach. 1/4 avocado. 1/2 green apple. 1 teaspoon matcha powder. Macros. 380 kilocalories, 28 grams protein, 10 grams fiber, 18 grams fat. Part 4 to 7 day smoothie meal plan for belly fat loss. Day 1. Breakfast, chocolate peanut butter protein. 1 cup almond milk plus 1 scoop chocolate protein plus 1 tablespoon PB2 plus 1/2 frozen banana plus ice. Day 2. Lunch, savory cucumber dill. 1 cup coconut water plus 1/2 cucumber plus 1/4 avocado plus 1/2 cup Greek yogurt plus dill plus lemon. Day 3. Snack, berry fiber bomb. 1 cup green tea plus 1/2 cup mixed berries plus 1 tablespoon chia seeds plus 1/2 scoop vanilla protein. Download the full 7-day plan here. Part 5. Expert tips to maximize results. Time your smoothies. Drink post-workout to leverage nutrient timing for muscle repair. Chew gum afterward. Mimics eating, reducing hunger signals. Add ice. Burns extra calories, your body heats the liquid. Walk post smoothie. A 15-minute walk stabilizes blood sugar. FAQ. Your smoothie weight loss questions, answered. Q. Can smoothies replace dinner? A. Not ideal. Solid dinners aid sleep and prevent late-night snacking. Q. How long until I see belly fat loss? A. With a calorie deficit, expect 1 to 2 pounds per week. Spot reduction isn't possible. Smoothies aid overall fat loss. Q. Are detox smoothies safe? A. Avoid extreme cleanses. Focus on balanced, fiber-rich recipes. Conclusion. Smoothies are a tool, not a miracle. Smoothies can torch belly fat and replace meals, if you prioritize protein, fiber, and whole foods while dodging sugar traps. Pair them with strength training, sleep, and stress management for sustainable results.